So what if my passport was stolen? Hi, my name is Alejandro, and I work on the quality assurance team here at HelloGov. Now, if your passport was stolen, the first step is getting your replacement application started. The easiest way to do that is by completing our AI-guided application process. Once you finish, we'll generate your pre-filled DS11 and DS64 forms and provide clear, step-by-step instructions on exactly what to do. Now, we organize the paperwork for you so the replacement process feels clear and manageable from the start.